I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
You'll want to hear about this one. Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
So today, we're over on the west end of Panama City Beach, right on the sand.
Beautiful.
We checked out an adorable 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo unit over at the tried and true complex of Horizon South. It's been popular for years, and we see why. Lots of amenities, multiple pools, basketball courts.
Walking distance right here.
So close to the beach. You've got shuffleboard. You've got all the things that you need. Great location, close to Pier Park Shopping. Frank Brown, 30A in minutes. And this unit has been adorably renovated, super cute. But Heather, what are some of your favorite things about this unit?
I absolutely love that they've maximized every inch as far as sleeping space. You can get up to 10 in this unit, and without probably falling all over each other.
They did a great job.
When they renovated the bathroom, they added more cabinetry and storage. You don't get that much in this kind of space.
No, they definitely made the most of it. I love the decorations.
So cute.
Like coastal, kind of chic.
And the LVP is perfect for sand and water.
Right. You're not like making a mess after the trip to the beach.
Yep.
So cute. You could use this for your private getaway, your residence, if you want that Florida address, or you could take advantage of great vacation rental income.
Absolutely. Horizon South rents very well. Very well known.
Perfect. So check out this beach getaway over at Horizon South. Low HOA. Price point, you can't beat it. $240.
$240, 2-bedroom, this close to the sand. It's perfect.
It's not going to last. Give us a call today. We would love to show it to you.
And if you want more details on the actual listing, look in the description below. Click the link. You'll get all of the fine points.
Don't forget to ring that bell. You've got to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on future hot deals like this one.